My name is Martina Conlon. I am the principal here of Lagabon National School. We would like to welcome Mary Rowland, Secretary to the Aldergrove Titanic Society, who has come here to do a very special delivery for us, which she will tell you more about.
Thank you, Martina. I'm delighted to be here. And this is a sculpture, a Bob Hope sculpture, very unique, that was done by Vincent O'Callaghan back in 2013. Vincent is a nephew of Dina Mahan that was on the Titanic. Dina was only 20 years of age. She drowned and her body was never recovered. So Vincent made this in memory of her, presented it to the Titanic Society, and unfortunately at the moment we have no place to house it. So I'm absolutely delighted that Martina has decided to have it here in the school. And what better place to have it than in the National School of Ireland's Titanic Village.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Mary. We're delighted to have it.